Oh, there it is, the one I shot. Oh, that's the one you shot at. Is that the one you shot at him?
Yeah.
I shot at one, I don't know where it went. Hey, just look at the berries.
Should we check Grandma's sunflower? Hello, Edelisa. I know. Medyo mahina-hina pa ako dahil katatapos lang ng operasyon ko. Oh, wow. It's so tall. Ang taas naman ng sunflower. 6 feet tall. Ano? 10 feet?
Yeah, they're about 8.
8 feet. Who can watch the sunflower like that? Who can watch that sunflower?
Because I'm 6 feet.
I know.
That must be, might be pushing 9.
Yeah. Oo nga. Ang taas naman. Andito tayo sa garden ni Grandma. Ayan. Honey, we have lots of salad. We can eat this salad.
What?
Ayan, salad. I'm gonna eat the...
Cauliflower. Let me see. How's the cabbage? Oh, it's coming. See, look.
This is apple tree.
Cabbage is coming. So she have another apple tree, right?
Yeah, a word, but in the corner. Oh, wow, there's more.
Well, I don't think she cooked them.
She did not. Oh, wow, there's a lot here.
Hey! Hey, leave baby her gun. Leave baby. Leave baby. Leave baby her gun.
Gilana, good thing you came out. Ito yung sunflower ni Mother. Ang taas, no? Mas matangkad pa kay Jeff. Mary Rose, saan ka nang punta? Kumusta na? Anong balita sa'yo? Anong chika sa'yo?
They're gonna take our gun. Want me to do this one?
Anong makimarites tayo kay Mary Rose? Leave.
No.
What's that?
What is this? What is it, Mama?
Sinong super chatter natin?
Here. Here's Mom.
Ay, super tall pala. Super. Oh, wow. That's a cabbage.
I eat that.
I know.
I don't trust Jay driving because he'll probably hit the car.
Well, don't do it then. Okay, let's go. Let's go check them out. Ay, Diyos ko. Kulit. Oh, malamig na. Malapit na mag-snow.